Hey, Carol, professional Ikea hacker. Actually, Peak Furnishings now. We have a new designer door because yes, the White Axstad is a designer door. By the way, when I saw it on the wall, first of all, it looks amazing. It's a shaker-esque style door. It's not true shaker. I can already see that it's thick. It's probably full 3/4 of an inch. So that means it's going to be very stable. I bet that in their testing, they figured it out, because this is thermofoil process. You have to have heat. And wood and heat, especially the thin panel, the thinner panel in between, you know, these things don't take well to heat. But make no mistake, this is a designer door. If you watch this video, I'm going to talk about these doors, and you know what else I'm going to talk to you about? I'll give you 3 simple upgrades that are accessible to the installer if you have a professional, or if you're a handy do-it-yourselfer, totally within your reach. 3 simple upgrades that will not break IKEA's amazing 25-year warranty, because you're going to stick to the system. But we'll still take it out of the IKEA plan and language, and we will make it look like custom and make your own space. We'll make it look like $1,000,000. Stay with me. Here we go. Here's the process. I have to grab my calipers. You know what? I have, oh, they're here, DB. They're not fancy. I mean, what I need to do needs to be accurate without my machinist, but this is a simple one I use. Not all IKEA doors are 3/4 of an inch. You know what? That's okay. Some of them don't need to be that thickness. Let's see. Holy cow, no man. These are even thicker. Holy cow, almost 21 millimeters? That's more than 3/4 of an inch. That's almost 7/8. Wow. You know what heavy doors? So these doors, A, are heavy. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm excited. This is really cool. This is really cool. This opens up possibilities. What kind of possibilities? The white, I did a white video. The white shaker door, I don't think it's that thick. That's curious, I'm going to have to investigate. The white shaker door is the whitest of all IKEA. That means it's this kind of safest choice that, you know what, it works with absolutely everything. It's a sort of that classic American craftsmanship, because if you look back, if you research who shakers are, we're not going to go into shakers in this video, but they have a history, a very crafty history, and their kitchens look amazing. And if you go with the Ikea Hackstad white doors and you accent them properly, and I do have on my Instagram account, I have a little entry of a woman who emailed me, and she says she's, I have given her hope. I have given her hope, but I also gave her kind of cool pointers on how to make that White Axstad just stand out and pop for you. This gray, though, is a beautiful, beautiful option. It looks amazing. It is darker than their gray bod bin. Can I say that I was never really a huge fan of the gray bod bin? You know why? It's a very popular look. You know what it is? It's the traditional opulence. That's the look of it. If you wanna, you know, appear. Anyways, you know what? They look great. Traditional opulence, which I am not big on. You know why? Because you know what my personal style is? This is my personal style. For example, these custom doors for a renovation that I'm doing. It's called casual elegance. So on the one side is meant to mimic all the other doors in the penthouse. Or, well, I guess the top floor. And so they're meant to mimic. They're meant to fool you for about 3 seconds. We're like, whoa, these doors are nice. As you walk in and you get wow. Anyway, so I'm sure I'll make a video about it. So this is casual elegance, something that is naturally and casually and understated, just elegant, like very nice. These great doors. So first off, they're thicker. I like the satin look of Thermofoil on these doors. It's really sophisticated. Oh my gosh. You know what? I'm leaving finger marks on it. I'm doing some finishing tonight. And you know what? That's a good kind of indicator of how it will hold up. You know what I like to use for cleaning of my doors? I like to use those alcohol wipes. You know, like, I think the brand name is Lysol, but you know where I get mine? Costco. Even better deal. So let's see. These are made in Italy, so thicker, really nice gray color, darker than the Bodbin, which is that traditional opulence, which I'm not really fond of. But anyways, so naturally, sort of they're moodier, they require a bit of a setup. Oh my God, they did it. They did it. They improved. Friends, these are amazing doors. In my video, in my previous White Axstad video, Ikea, well done. Oh my gosh. One for the team. The engineers did it. Oh my God. I spoke about low angle light when doing any kind of finishing, any kind of prep work, and this is why I have to be careful. And this is why, for example, I have these doors, and you know what? I'm gonna tilt the camera just to show you right away. You know what? Are these doors ready for installation? You know what? Let's see. I have a low angle light set up, and this is what it looks like. I discovered this bruise, and then there's these little joints. They were not showing up enough. I didn't see enough of a shadow. I'm not trying to fake these doors in any way. I'm trying to highlight the craftsmanship, and this is one way of doing very kind of subtle little detailing that, you know, it's a small experience, and a series of these small experiences add up to a wonderful experience. So here I go, a low angle light, an absolutely smooth and beautiful door. Oh my God. 11 out of 10. I will do it again. Just what a beautiful door. Oh my God. It's amazing. Okay, so what are the three? Okay, let's get over ourselves, over this, how beautiful this door is. It's amazing. Why would you want to buy such a door? Imagine that it takes me about 2 days to chase down, and if I can actually, a damaged door to be replaced. So somebody reaches out to me and says, hey Carol, you know, I have $1 million kitchen, because that's what you have to have a $2 million kitchen for, to make it worth go chasing that. And I say, look, so what I have to do is and I say that's 2 days worth of labor for me, because what I have to do is I have to go find who the builder was on the project, who the kitchen fabricator was, who the supplier was, go back to them. They usually have some sort of data available, you can trace it back, you know, who the profile and everything else. So it's a lot of work. None of this with Ikea. You grab it, the damaged door, you pop it off. You know what, depending on the damage, you can probably, no, throw it out. Anyways, you go to Ikea and you buy a very affordable door like this. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. The slow angle light. It's an amazing door. It's absolutely beautiful. What are the three things that you're gonna do? First off, you have to think about, so it's three things, which are feet, that will go after the cover panel is installed. Might be even a good idea to put some blocking there. Maybe even attach it to the bottom of the cabinetry in anticipation. That will provide the backup for the feet that you're going to install afterwards. It's going to be the side panels. Ikea has, you know what? When they make such amazing doors, how will you, you know, complement with amazing side panels? You gotta have somebody who does it professionally, who has an eye for it. So the side panels and the crown molding. Make sure you pick a knife. You think about all three and pick them well. Match the, you know what, if you do proper surface prep, Benjamin Moore is completely adequate. Friends, I don't know if we can do this even. It's beautiful. It's an absolutely beautiful door. It's flawless. 100% improvement over the old White Axstad. I hope they improve the Axstad, the white one. Something like this in white. Oh my gosh, it'll be amazing. Holy cow, very nice. Obviously, custom panel fabrication made in Italy. I'm done. I gotta get this door done. But anyways, review. Beautiful door. Absolutely beautiful door. A designer choice that needs to be well thought out, well planned. The three things that you do to make it look like $1 million, don't make it look like every other gray Axstad kitchen, is think about the feet, think about the side panels. Ciao!